In this video, I'll show you how you can synchronize audios. Not only that, I'll show you how you can synchronize multiple audios. Firstly, I will show you how you can synchronize two audios. So to do this, the first step is select both of them, then right click on them, then click synchronize. Make sure you have selected the audio, then click OK. Wait it until it will process. As you see, the audios are synchronized perfectly. Now I will show you how you can synchronize multiple audios. As you see, there are multiple clips here. So if we select all of them, then right click on the clips, then we can get the option synchronize. So to do that, firstly, we have to make all of them on different layers. I will make them like this. Now we will select all of them, then right click on the clips, and as you see, there is the synchronize option. So we will click it, make sure the audio is selected, then click OK. Then wait it until it finished the processing. Boom, it has synchronized this perfectly. So that's how you can synchronize multiple audios. So if this video helps you, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you guys.